Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, the talented attacking midfielder, Xavi Simon, Chelsea is pushing and pushing harder to land him today. I'm telling you, as we are speaking, Chelsea scheduled a new meeting to agree or to come to consensus about Xavi Simon transfer. To agree personal terms, verbal agree on his transfer before Chelsea will now decide to send official bid to RB Leipzig. Even today's game, RB Leipzig versus Atalanta, he was excluded, and not because he was ill or injured, but because he himself is pushing to join Chelsea. As I said already, everybody wants to join Chelsea. As we are speaking now, I myself, you yourself, everybody wants to join. See, I'm telling you, currently, the managers who are even waiting to become Chelsea manager to take over from Enzo Maresca, we can't count them. But never. It can't happen. It can happen. No. I don't see Chelsea sacking Enzo Maresca. No. Even next season, or if season begins and things didn't start well. But for me, I know we'll start well because we are Chelsea and we saw the progress. The experience is now there. The maturity is now there. So we'll be patient. For me, you see, guys, we have to understand that. Like, now it will take time. This is a young squad. This is no more the Abramovich Chelsea. Yes, we are still Chelsea. We must win. But look at our squad and look at the olden days. So we have to be patient. We have to be patient. I'm not cursing Chelsea to go to next season and play bad football or not to compete. For me, I believe that we can even win the Premier League. But this is football. Yes, 99%. And football is full of uncertainties and probabilities. Yes, that is why we like it. Yes, because of its probability nature. Yes, you can predict. Yes, that is why investors are suffering nowadays. So, guys, Xavi Simon, as we are speaking now, Chelsea scheduled a new meeting to have talks with his representative, to have talks with his camp. Yes, in order to come to consensus. Then Chelsea will send official bid to Leipzig. And Xavi Simon even removed Leipzig name, yes, on his IG handle. He removed Leipzig name. Players normally do this, yes, to push, to move away. And even as I said, he wasn't included in today's game. As we are shooting this video, they are still playing. I think Leipzig lost. It was Atalanta to Leipzig 1. So guys, Xavi Simon coming to Chelsea is imminent. And what I even like about this transfer is that, first of all, no other team is discussing or want to sign this guy. No. Liverpool came, he said he wants Chelsea and Chelsea alone. Arsenal came, he said he wants Chelsea and Chelsea alone. So many teams came, he rejected them and chose only Chelsea. So that should even give us the belief that this transfer will happen. Xavi Simon will become Chelsea player soon. And another thing is that Chelsea, our owners and the sporting directors, they combine and yes, be pushing for this transfer to happen. Todd Bowley, everybody, the sporting directors, the co-sporting directors, Lawrence Stewart and Paul Winstanley. Yes, they are all pushing or having talks with Leipzig and Xavi Simon representatives for this transfer to happen. So everything showed that things are serious. Everything showed that things are advancing. And another thing is that he himself wants to come to Chelsea. Nowadays, modern football, modern transfers, the personal terms is just everything. If the player don't want to come to a team, you can do everything. You can go and pay 150 million. At the end of the day, he will reject you. He rejected you. Ask Casado deal. The same as Lavia. So Xavi Simon also coming. Even Hato. Liverpool went ahead. Yes, Liverpool went to sign Hito even before Chelsea. But at the end, he chose the best club in the world, Chelsea. So guys, Xavi Simon transfer, Xavi Simon coming to Chelsea is loading, is imminent. Let us be patient as we did with Hito. By now, Hito completed his medicals. Yes, official announcement left. Yes. So guys, that is the latest information for Xavi Simon coming to Chelsea is imminent. Let me hear from you in the comment section, your opinion, your thought. And also, Alejandro Ganacho. Latest information came for Ganacho. But before we go there, guys, please just remind you, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Please hit the like button, hit the subscription button. This is the latest for Alejandro Ganacho. Alejandro Ganacho is very keen on the opportunity to play Champions League football at Stamford Bridge. Chelsea will look at the opportunity later in the window if they complete the sales they want. So guys, that is the latest. Ganacho want to play Champions League football next season with Chelsea. and he wants to stay in the Premier League. So he is waiting for Chelsea, and Chelsea also still showing interest, have Ganacho on the list. And I keep on saying it. For me, I see Chelsea signing Ganacho. I see Chelsea bringing Ganacho to Stamford Bridge next season. I'm telling you. And Ganacho himself even want to join him. Ganacho, as everyone want to join Chelsea, even Ganacho and co, everybody. I'm telling you. So at the ending part of this transfer window, maybe closer to 1st September, I'm telling you, Chelsea may go and sign Ganacho. I'm seeing this transfer happen at that time. Ending part of the transfer window, maybe at that time there will not be any other option rather than Chelsea to go and sign him. So guys, that is the latest for Alejandro Ganacho coming to Chelsea. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. And Estavo Williams is in London. I'm telling you, the young talented Estavo Williams, he is in London. And they interview him about him joining Chelsea. Yes, and these are his words. Estavo on Instagram, man, I can't wait seriously to wear the Chelsea jersey. It seems like the days are slow to pass. It seems like the clock stopped, man, but I'm really anxious. I hope everything works out. I hope I can build incredible story and make Chelsea fans very proud. See guys, for me, I keep on saying it here every day is that Estavo Williams is future Ballon d'Or winner. Nobody can tell me that Yamal is better than Estavo Williams. No. All those names, players' names they are mentioning won't come to talent-wise. This guy is talented. So I see Estavo. We saw him, Chelsea fans. Some of we the Chelsea fans who were adopting him. We saw him Chelsea against Palmeiras. He scored the only goal for Palmeiras in that game. We saw the display from him. If not because Cucurella is Cucurella. On that game, this guy was trying to pocket Cucurella. But Cucurella said, no, I know you are my player. Next season, you are joining me. But Charlie, I am Cucurella. So, guys, Estavo coming to Chelsea. See, and even information came that if he come and impress, he's coming to start. Go straight, walk straight into Chelsea starting 11. I'm telling you. So, Estavo being 18 years of age, he's not coming because of he's young to be on the bench. If he come and impress more than Hato, he is starting ahead of Hato. If he come and impress more than Gittins, he is starting ahead of Gittins. So Estavo, welcome to Chelsea. Welcome to the pride of London. Yes, the only team in London that you can see all the trophies you can talk about in this world. So Estavo, Chelsea fans, we are welcoming you. Yes, guys, let's come to another information. Yes, from Chelsea camp. And before we go there, guys, please just remind you again, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. And guys, as I said, Hito completed his medicals. Now, official announcement we are waiting for, and he signed 7 years contract, and Chelsea will pay in excess of 40 million for him. So Gerald Hito is now a blue. Gerald Hito next season he will play in Chelsea shirt. And I said it already in my previous video that this guy is coming to help Cucurella. He is coming to be a backup for the left back in the world, who is better than Mendes. Because next season, Champions League football is there. So many important big competitions are there. And when you look at that left back position in Chelsea, it is only Cucurella playing there. So it's good that Chelsea bring a backup. Yes. And Hato can play as a center back and a left back. So for that matter, he can come and be a super sub. Or even some games, he can start ahead of Cucurella so that Cucurella will be resting. Because this season, Cucurella played games more than any of Chelsea players. He played 54 games and Moses Caicedo played 50 games. So only 4 games ahead of Moses Caicedo. And they are human beings, not robots. Imagine next season we start and football injuries are there, injuries are part, and something bad happen. Who is there to take over from Cucurella position? And Gusto, we can't trust him. For Gusto there, he is like our dollar to the city. And now we have a stable city. I should stop using that example because now it looks like our city is now. I heard our city is the best performing city in the world, even more than the dollar. Yes. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought about all this transfer that we discussed in this video. And guys, another video is still coming. Yes, about Chelsea outgoings. Latest information just came. Yes, for Nkunku leaving, Magiu leave to Sunderland. So many things. Mamadou Sarr. So please watch out on this channel. Turn on the notification bell. When that new video comes, you'll be the first person to see it. Take care, peace.